Dvanda Yoga provides us with a very quick and easy method to find the square of any given number. Dvanda Yoga is nothing but duplex of a number. If we know the technique to find the duplex of a number, then we can easily find the square of that number. Now how can we find the duplex of a number? Observe the examples given below. They will elucidate the procedure. First example. Duplex of 3 is 3 square, which is equal to 9. Duplex of 8 is equal to 8 square, which is equal to 64. Duplex of 26 is equal to 2 into 6 into 2, which is equal to 24. Duplex of 93 is equal to 9 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 54. Duplex of 172 is equal to 1 into 2 into 2 plus 7 square, which is equal to 53. Duplex of 537 is equal to 5 into 7 into 2 plus 3 square, which is equal to 79. Duplex of 204 is 2 into 4 into 2 plus 0, which is equal to 16. Duplex of 5478 is 5 into 8 multiplied by 2 plus 4 into 7 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 136. Similarly, we have duplexes of 17392, 235147, 8549312. Now let us explain the method with an example. Suppose we have to find the square of 234. Starting from the RHS, we find the duplex of 4, that is equal to 4 square, which is 16. The duplex of 3/4, which is equal to 24. The duplex of 234, that is equal to 25. The duplex of 23, which is equal to 12. And in last we find the duplex of 2, that is equal to 4. Now write the duplexes in the fashion shown. Therefore, the square of 234 is equal to 54756. Similarly, the square of 7345 is equal to 539,49025. Note that if a number consists of n digits, then its square will consist of either 2n or 2n minus 1 digits. Now let us find the square of 13.24. We ignore the decimal for the time being. The square of 1324 is equal to 1752976. Now apply the decimal after 4 digits from the RHS, as it is after 2 digits from the RHS of the given number. Thus, the final answer is 175.2976. Try out these problems as exercise. First, square of 854. The answers are 729316. Second, square of 6108. The answers are 37307664. Third, square of 46521. The answers are 21642034441. Fourth, square of 151.53. The answers are 22961.3409.